Over here in Power Query, we've got our fact table. So we've got some product information, the month number, sales units and values. But what I want to bring in is the actual month name. So we've got the number, but unfortunately not the actual name. So if I come across to here, to my other query, we've got a dimension table for the months. Now over here, we've got the month number along with the month name. So that's ideal. So what I need to do is essentially take this month number, come across to home, merge queries again over here. Now what we want to do is merge the month number from the fact data table, which is our main table here behind, and we want to merge it with the month number from the dimension months table. So we can see here that the selection matches 1,000 off 1,000 rows from the first table. So that's perfect. We'll hit OK. And you don't get the month names immediately. They come over here, so we need to actually expand this. We can take off, we only need the month name, which is this one here. We don't need the month number. So this is the data from the dim months table or query, and hit OK. And we've got our month name in here. Bring that across to here. That's pretty much our final table. That's what we were after. So we can see October matches to month 10, January to month 1, June to month 6, etc. So it all flows perfectly. If your financial year, for example, started in April, you could change for your dim months to start from April as 1 and finishing off as March as 12, for example, in the UK. So depends how you want to display the data, or you can have an additional column for this can be your calendar month, you can have your financial year month, and then use whichever one you want really from there. Okay, hope that helps.